Ang bilis niya lang spread out. Parang ang glowy-glowy pa rin ng skin ko. Parang okay naman. Kumbaga kung wala ka din namang concealer, pwede na siya. Hello mga kumare! I'm back with another video. Wow, meron na naman tayong upload. Sino talaga ako dyan? Proud. But this is the look that I created with the new Enigma Beauty Skintroduction Long Wear Liquid Foundation. If you want to find out my thoughts, just keep on watching. If you're like me, na mahilig na talaga sa mga makeup, back in 2015, for sure, kilala niyo si Riza Contawi. She's an OG beauty content creator. And I remember back then, sobrang obsessed ko sa kanya. Ang pangit pakinggan, but I really like the way she creates her look. It's very technical, but also the way she explains it makes so much sense. Kaya madalas niya akong nabubudol talaga sa mga ginagamit niya. I remember, siya rin yung nagpauso ng Centella Asiatica. If you remember that, oh my gosh, sobrang icon talaga niya. And kung hindi niyo siya kilala, oh my gosh, bakit? And yun nga, recently, nag-launch na siya finally ng kanyang own beauty line. Finally, it's been a long time coming, but I guess she is the type of person who likes to focus on one thing, because Ms. Riza, if there's one thing that I've observed throughout the years, she's really passionate in what she does. So she always like to do her best, and it always shows, you know. Kaya siguro medyo natagalan to, but at least it's here. And for sure, if you came from TikTok, you've seen this all over your FYP. It's currently trending. It's the Enigma Beauty Skintroduction Long Wear Liquid Foundation. Comes in this box. Actually, wala na dito yung foundation kasi tinanggal ko na siya. And this is the first time na nagkaroon ako ng foundation na may kulay. So that speaks a lot. Aminin na natin, karamihan sa mga beauty brands ngayon likes to use yung mga clean colors like nudes, whites, and nothing's wrong with that, especially if that's the type of branding that they want to go with. But I feel like this one is just presented with luxe. Alam mong pinag-isipan to, and ang ganda niya lang. Box pa lang, meron na siyang impression. In fact, meron siya dyang paganyan. And then you also have here the how to use, and nakaseal siya. By the way, I got the shade LW10 or light golden. I think it's meant to say light warm. Sayang lang, hindi tayo makakapag-swatching sa face because ito lang yung kaya ng budget ko, isa lang. But I hope it works. If it doesn't, we'll make it work. Alam nyo, yan din yung isang bagay na natutunan ko kay Riza throughout her beauty contents. Sobrang galing niya lang talagang mag-manipulate ng makeup to her advantage. Alam mo yung parang kahit hindi siya maganda, kaya niyang pagmukaing maganda. Ganun siya ka-pro pagdating sa makeup. Without further ado, this is the actual foundation. Okay, let's take a moment and appreciate this beauty. So, out of all the foundations, as I was saying, yung mga brands natin, yung mga local brands natin, they're always leaning towards nudes, light gold, rose gold, light colors. I mean, look, 'di ba? Parang si Tevian nga lang yung medyo pasikat eh. But Enigma, girl, mas pasikat siya. Kasi red cap. So, alam nyo, parang this reminds me of a perfume bottle. I just can't remember anong perfume, pero parang ganun yung bag niya. And then, meron lang dyang Enigma. Yung font niya nga, very gothic. Diba? Ayun, very straightforward. And then, sa ilalim, meron ding sticker. It says light golden. So, let's go ahead and test this out. So, upon opening, grabe, kailangan nyo ng grip para mabuksan nyo siya. And it looks like this. Actually, yung pump niya is very similar to Absidy's pump. And then, let's try. Okay. Yung texture niya hindi makapal, pero it has a grip. So, I wanna know how that works. Let's see if they have any claims here. So, it claims to be long-lasting self-setting foundation which is also infused with skin-enhancing ingredients, delivering a radiant airbrush finish while gradually improving skin clarity. Oh wow, I need that. So, let's go ahead and test that out. As usual, we'll do it two ways. One side will be using a brush and then the other side using this new Soft Beauty Velvet Sponge. I just got this in the mail today kaya I'm also excited. By the way, it comes in a big and small sponge. I guess this one is for those delicate areas like your under eye, especially if you wanna reach those corners. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman for bigger surface. So, we'll just dampen this para lang mag-expand siya. And I wanna try this one with this specific foundation because it's not gonna absorb as much foundation as your regular sponge kasi nga velvet to. So, parang talagang full coverage pa rin yung makukuha mo dito. And then, of course, we'll also use my all-time favorite Jelly Eugenio X Vice Co. Brush in JE01. Let's go ahead and try this one na. So, I'm just gonna repump this. And then, I wanna see if meron tayong maaamoy. Parang wala naman. Wala naman akong maamoy. Pero, let's go ahead and apply this. And on this side, I'm just gonna use my brush. Ang bilis niya lang spread out. So, gusto ko yan. Hindi tayo mahihirapang mag-blend. And then, using my brush, let's go ahead and spread it out. So, ever since tinuruan talaga ako. Pero ever since tinuro ni Jelly Eugenio kung paano gamitin yung brush na to, ay girl, sobrang na-in-love na ako. Kasi parang, ang natural lang ng datingan niya. Alam mo yung na-maintain niya yung coverage, pero hindi ganun ka-effort. And, even using this brush, ang ganda-ganda niya pa rin. So, perfect yun. And instantly, na-cover up na nga yung mga blemishes ko in this side. Wow. Ganda. Ganda. Yan. Kaya lang parang kulang yun na pump ko. Sa bagay, half pump pa lang naman yun. So, let's add more. Then, I'm gonna use the same tint technique. Yan. Medyo maputi na siya sa noo ko. Pero, na-surprise ako na okay pa rin yung shade niya sa akin. Kahit na medyo nasa light shade to. Ang impressive naman nun. Parang ang glowy-glowy pa rin ng skin ko. This is with and this is without. Tapos, may lagkit siya, pero let's see kung magsiset pa siya. Kahit ganito lang yung gawin ko everyday, ang ganda na nung finish niya. Gusto ko yung pagkakalapat niya sa skin ko. Hindi siya nag-struggle. Wait I'm gonna check up close kung totoo nga yung nakikita ko. Oh, pero napansin kong nagsettle siya dito sa mga big pores ko. But on the sides of my nose, ayun, hindi. Maganda yun. So that is with one layer. Let's try adding another layer and see if anything will change. Meron din pala siyang streakiness. Hindi ko alam kung nawawala siya because some foundation, nawawala naman yung streaky niya, or kung ganun man yung nangyayari, baka kailangan lang nating mag-change ng motion, which is doing a stippling motion. Nabawasan na yung pagka-streaky niya. Parang okay naman. From afar, okay siya eh. Even this one, oh. Ganda oh. Ganda ng pagkakalapat. Hindi siya nagkikling sa mga dry patches. Hindi niya rin na-emphasize yung mga dry patches ko. Like, my under eyes, madalas yan. Meron yung mga milya or butlig-butlig. Pero wala. Wow! Ang ganda! Wait, sige. Try na natin dito sa kabila. This time, let's use the soft sponge. So, nag-expand siya siguro ng 1.5 times than the original. Super soft pa din. And then, apply a thin layer muna. Para lang natin. Teka, tignan nyo guys. Pag ito na-cover niya, itong part na to, maniniwala na akong high coverage siya. Kasi itong area na to, sobrang dark niyan. Let's go ahead and use this. This is also my first time using this velvet sponge. Can you tell kung natakpan niya? Sobrang hyperpigmented na to. Kaya medyo ashy siyang tingnan sa screen. But in real life, it really covered na. Pero ayan itong part na to, hindi niya makuha. Siguro masyado siyang maitim. Even this talaga nagpipigs through. But that is just one layer. Kayo, anong mas gusto nyo? Ito o ito? Anong mas maganda? Parang ito, mas glowy siya versus this, no? Parang mas matte yung itsura nito. Let's add one more layer. Kung na masyadong dadamihan. And then let's blend. Magsiswitch ako ng sponge. I'll try using this and let's see kung makaka-help siya. Actually, yes. Mas helpful using yung mas maliit para mag-build yung coverage niya dun sa mga spots na gusto nyong mas plakado. Let's see I'll apply a third layer just specifically here and then ibababad ko lang siya ng kaunti. Okay, since nababad ko na siya, I'm gonna use this and see if that can cover up. Kumbaga kung wala ka din namang concealer, pwede na siya. And alam niyo, both techniques work. Like, ang ganda niya pareho. Okay sa akin na may ganito, na medyo may kinang-kinang. Okay din sa akin to na parang mas flat. All I can say is, parang ang healthy ng skin ko. Boogs. Lah, ang puti ko na dito. Actually, sa screen, parang ang puti-puti ko. Pero in real life, hindi naman. Okay naman siya. So, I'll just finish my makeup and then I'll be back. So, I'm back with my finished look. So, gumamit lang ako ng blurring powder just on this side. Okay? Just on this side. Dahil dyan naman talaga ako madalas mag-oil up. Pero hindi ko na siya binig. As in, setting powder lang from Absidy. Ito siya. First observation, while I'm doing my makeup, parang as I'm oiling up, the more na nagmumukhang healthy yung skin ko. So that's really nice. I'm not gonna test this out the whole night because it's already almost 10 p.m. But I will try to give you an update before I go to sleep since magpupuya tayo ngayon. So far, that is the look. What do you think? So far, I'm loving it. Ayan, nandito ako sa CR kasi gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung itsura niya kapag hindi maraming ilaw yung nakatutok. As you can see, hindi ganun kalaki yung difference with the light and without the light. So, ang ganda niya. Ayan ang linis ng pagkakalapat niya sa mukha ko. And TBH, ganito yung pakiramdam when I'm using Essie. Only this one is fuller in coverage. Sana mag-work talaga siya sa super duper oily skin ko. Kasi so far, I'm really loving it. Just another look. Up close. Like, diba? Ang ganda. And mind you, wala akong concealer. Talagang it's all from the foundation. Good job, Enigma. Sana tatagan mo pa. Alright, I'm back for my final review. So, wala na akong mic, but I hope you can still hear me clearly. Andyan si Fuji, and makikinig yata siya sa review ko. So, this is after 4 hours of makeup. As you can see, nag-oil up na ako. Ayan, medyo shiny na. Pero, considering na it's already been 4 hours and ito pa lang yung oil ko, that's really impressive kasi usually first 30 minutes pa lang, itong area na to, as in, sobrang kintab na niyan. But I also noticed na nag-oxidize na yung foundation, especially on this area. Mapapansin nyo, parang mas nag-warm na yung face ko. Like kanina, mapapansin nyo na itong area na to, parang brighten pa siya. But now, hindi na ganun kalit. So, yes, it does oxidizes. So, I'm just worried na kapag medyo bumalik na yung kulay ko, baka hindi ko na maging ka-shade match tong si Enigma. Also, I forgot to mention bago ko tapusin yung review ko kanina. Since hindi naman ako nag-powder, meron ka talagang mafe-feel na konting-konting lagkit sa mukha. Pero eventually, nawala na siya. Sa totoo lang, parang wala talaga akong suot ngayon. As in, walang nakakairitang feeling. Hindi ko nararamdamang nanlalagkit ako. Sa totoo, kung hindi lang ako conscious na parang shiny na yung areang to, hindi ako magbablot. And hindi pa rin talaga ako magbablot. It's just that it's already late and I don't think kaya ko pang magpuyat. So, parang magtatanggal na ako ng makeup and then I will try again tomorrow just to see if mas mag-hold better siya kapag mainit na talaga. As in, itatry ko siyang ibabad sa init bukas. But so far, I'm really impressed. Ang only con ko lang talaga is yung oxidation niya. And then, yeah. Very nice. I'm really impressed. In fact, kapag ganito na yung mantika ng mukha ko, for sure, dapat may nabubutas na dyan. Diba? Para lang ako naka-skin tint. Ganun yung feeling niya. So itatry ko ulit siya tomorrow. Pero siguro yung wear test natin, i-upload ko na lang sa TikTok. So if you want to see yung ating wear test, please don't forget to follow me on my TikTok. And yeah, thank you so much again for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos and reviews like this. Just let me know ano pa yung gusto nyong i-review natin. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!